Prestige Accounting, we understand the challenges faced by small and medium-sized businesses, as well as individual taxpayers. Managing finances and taxes shouldn't be overwhelming. We specialise in year-end accounts, bookkeeping, VAT, tax returns, payroll services, and business planning and coaching. Whether you're a sole trader or a limited company, we have the expertise to simplify your accounting needs. For limited companies, our services include company formation, statutory accounts preparation, and corporation tax returns. Plus, our business consultants ensure you're always on the right track. At Prestige Accounting, your success is our priority. Clients we serve. Our clients span diverse industries: transportation industry, property, food industry, care and nursing home, construction industry, medical sector, content creators, hospitality industry, security industry, professional services, mortgage advisors and solicitors, etc., charities and social enterprises. We've taken businesses from start-up to millions in turnover. Start your journey with us today. Don't let taxes or accounting problems hold you back any longer. Call us today to schedule your free consultation. Visit us at www.prestigeaccounting.co.uk and call us at 01604 434 647 and let us know how we can help you to
succeed.